What is Nucca? Take a look inside with Dr. Tim Strittmatter. Many people have never heard the term Nucca. So, what is it? Nucca stands for the National Upper Cervical Chiropractic Association. Nucca uses a specific procedure focused on correcting a small misalignment in the neck. The goal of this procedure is to restore optimal balance to the entire spinal column. Dr. Tim Strittmatter is one of only 250 doctors licensed in the U.S. to practice this revolutionary procedure. When you visit Dr. Strittmatter, an extensive evaluation process begins. The severity of each type of spinal misalignment is vastly different. Therefore, he will review with you the location of symptoms in your body, how they began, and how long they have been present. During the evaluation process, Dr. Strittmatter will begin the steps necessary to determine whether your spinal column is misaligned or out of balance. At the adjusting table, he will check for a difference in leg length. If there is a spinal misalignment, the shoulders and hips can be misaligned as well, making the legs appear to be different lengths. Precise measurements of your spinal balance are then taken to determine if you have a significant misalignment that would require a correction. If Dr. Strittmatter determines that you have significant body imbalance, a series of x-rays is performed. The x-ray series involves safety procedures that use low-technique settings for your safety. Then the doctor analyzes the x-rays to calculate exactly where the misalignment starts, as well as the direction it takes. This allows him to obtain an optimal correction. Often, misalignment starts with the atlas, or the topmost vertebra of the spine. Along with the axis, the atlas forms the joint at which the skull connects to the spine. This is why a Nucca correction affects the balance of the entire body, although it is performed only on the neck. When it's time for your adjustment, your head will be placed in a very specific location, all based on information obtained from your x-rays. Dr. Strittmatter will assume a carefully calculated position, then place his hand near your ear, or directly over the atlas. The adjustment uses very light and subtle corrections. It takes little shifting of the bones to relieve pressure. The spinal correction procedure is subtle in its application, but the positive effects on the nervous system and improved body balance are not. During your first visit, Dr. Strittmatter will take 2 post x-rays following the initial correction. These x-rays will show how the spine responded to the adjustment. Remember, the better the correction, the better the chance of recovery. After your adjustment, take time to relax in Dr. Strittmatter's restoration room. Restoring your health and wellness of both mind and body are Dr. Strittmatter's goals. Following the procedure, you will be monitored closely with follow-up visits. It is Dr. Strittmatter's goal that the healing process is permanent for you. He will discuss with you how you can best achieve good body balance that will improve body function, so that you can live well and stay well for a lifetime.
Hello, my name is Dr. Timothy Strittmatter at Keystone Spinal Care. You do know that spinal misalignments can cause pain anywhere in the human body. If I could show you how to improve your quality of life, if I can show you a way to allow yourself to have a pain-free existence, would that be worth 15 minutes of your time for a consultation? If so, please answer the 3 questions below to see if you pre-qualify for our care.